Hi everyone, today I'm here with yet another video. Today I'm gonna show you a quick unboxing of my phone OnePlus 6T, mirror black, and some camera samples. So without any ado, let's go and open the box. So I got this from an eBay seller named Perfect Mission, and I have bought a couple of phones with him, and he is really trustworthy. So I'll leave a link down below so you guys can go and check his phone out. So right ahead of the box you have the OnePlus 6T with the teardrop notch, as you can see. The phone is really sleek and beautiful in person. Regarding display, it's a 6.41 Android Full HD display. It's an AMOLED display, and you have crispy colors combination. The processor is Snapdragon 845. It's a 10nm chip. Regarding graphics, the graphics is Adreno 630. So whatever games you throw in will run smoothly. The RAM is 8GB and the hard disk is 128GB. The battery is 3700 mAh and it supports fast charging 20 watt as well. So guys, in my opinion, if you already have OnePlus 6, so I don't see a reason for you to upgrade to OnePlus 6T. The camera is exactly the same. You got a 16 megapixel shooter and a 20 megapixel secondary shooter, and the display wise it's exactly the same. OnePlus 6 has a notch up here. This also has a notch, but it's a teardrop notch. But basically I don't see any difference with it. Performance wise, both the phone are exactly the same. They both are fast, fluid. The updates keeps on pushing. So that's the good thing about OnePlus 6T. So there is no headphone jack. All you have is a USB-C port. They although give you a dongle in the box for the comparison to USB-C to 3.5mm jack. So in the box you have your dash charger and your cable and the conversion unit. So there are some paperwork as well, and it's kind of OnePlus 6 to throw you a transparent case as well. So this is it for the unboxing, guys. If you have any comments, leave me on the comments below, and please do subscribe, and please stay tuned to have some camera samples from this phone. And thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.